How's everybody doing? Well, I'm getting ready to get ready for Flight Fest this year, and I usually take a bunch of hodgepodge mixed together, mashed up airplanes and just go out there because there's so many people in the sky, you're always going to run into somebody or something's going to happen. This is going to be one of my projects, Project Ugly Bush. Make the ugliest bush plane there's ever been. These are all parts that I've scrounged up from different projects. I mean, look at this stuff. This is going to be amazing if we can get this thing flying right. Well, smash it all together and try it out. Yeah, that one to repair. A bunch over there. Well, then we got this monstrosity. And then about 60 more airplanes in the house. So, might thin some of that crowd out. I'm gonna go ahead and get started building on this. Keep keep watching. I've got everything wiped down. Better test the servos and make sure they all work. If there's any background noise, sorry, I'm out in the garage with the fan running. It's like 91 degrees out here, so. It looks like this old Futaba aileron servo is working so far. Well, that's good. That's one less thing I've got to replace. I removed the throttle servo. This is not going to be a nitro, so we won't need this, but that's a nice Futaba servo I can use on one of my RC cars. The elevator servo is working. No go on the rudder though. It's not even making a noise. So I have to replace the rudder servo. Looks like I'll be using my spare servo for that. Get that out and back in. All right, I got the servo replaced. At least when we go to crash, I can control it on the way in. All right, we're back. So, I cut away the back here. So when our wing sits on, the control surfaces will have a spot to hang out the back and operate. And I have added these rails to the side so I have somewhere to attach the wing down to. Like a rubber type material so it'll seat up against it and maybe not move around as much. You can see I have spared no expense. This is a 2x4 motor mount. You can't just get that anywhere. That's got to be custom built. 3D printed front of the motor mount. That's on there pretty solid. And surprisingly enough, it's a lot lighter than I thought it would be. 40 amp ESC, and that's really high tech too. I've drilled 2 holes through the fuselage and put wire ties through it and put a hole through the side to shove this through. So this thing's looking properly ugly. And the wing should set on. Right up in there. Oh, there's that. That is a one ugly airplane. Little piece of information I wanted to share. I don't know if this is known everywhere around the world, but Adventure Time RC stickers are world renowned for patching holes on airplanes. Good as new. It's wired up and working. Got the ailerons going. Rudder. Elevator. And that should hopefully be enough power to get us in the air. So I'm going to finish buttoning this stuff up, get the landing gear on, and get the CG all figured out. And usually you do that, you just measure the span of the wing and take 30% off the leading edge. Oh, I'll get back with you again. Alright, here she is, and we're going to find out the moment of truth here soon. I don't even know if it'll get off the ground, to be honest with you, but only one way to find out. Look at this thing. Big old wheels. I think I'm running a 3000 milliamp 3S in it. I think 30C. But no matter what, once we hit that throttle, something's going to happen, so stay tuned for that, 'cause it's about to go on. Well, suppose it's back to the drawing board. I need more power. So I've had a brilliant idea. The landing gear are gone. Less weight, less drag. And I don't have anything in this airplane. So let's hand launch it and see what happens. Well, that could have been worse. Let's try it one more time. Or until we break it. It's flying! All right, I think we should bring it in for a landing. Sweet. All right, so it didn't want to be a bush plane. It's a hand launcher. I can still use a little bit more power, but for some crap I threw together out of the garage for free, not too bad. Project Ugly Bush accomplished. Thanks for watching.